Okay, so let's say this is the input. So poor Dan is a droop. Palindrome assignment based on stack. All right. So this is the input. Input is this kind of a string. So what we will do, we will convert into intermediate string. Intermediate string as without any spaces. So we will get poor Dan is in a group. So this will be an intermediate string that it will be without any spaces. So then what we will do, we will reverse the string, okay. So P will be there, OOR. So okay, so if I write it from the last, okay, so from last I'll start it writing. So what I'll write, POOR DAN, then IS, then IN, then NAD, N is over, sorry, uh, ADR, ADR, ADR. So this will be, let's say, a capital ADR, ADR, then OOP. This will be kind of a string, okay. And if we try to match it without any cases, okay, so just forget about the uppercase and lowercase. So if I make it a lowercase, everything lowercase, then it will be like this. Okay, make it a lowercase string. This is also lowercase string. We find that the intermediate string without any spaces is exactly matching with the reverse of the string, okay. And then we can say that the given output will be yes, the given string is a palindrome. All right, so that way we have to give the output. So now what will be the our steps? So first step would be intermediate step, that is convert the string into without any spaces. So we have to remove the spaces. In short, we have to remove the spaces into that. Then the reverse of the string, what we will do, we will put character by character the intermediate string into a stack. Okay, so we'll put it into stack, and then what we will do, then one by one remove the character from the stack, or pop the character from stack and form a new string. All right, form a new string. Put in the sense I'll write push. Okay, so that's a better word for stack. Push means to enter into a stack, pop means to remove from the stack. So these are the two operations. So now we will put and the output that we will get after pop will be this, will be the reverse of the string. Okay, so whatever string, so first of all we will put P onto stack. Okay, so it will be like this. So it will be stack kind this, and then what we will have, P. So P will go into stack. So P will go, then O will go, then O, then R, over Dan, D, A, N, then IS, IN, like that. Okay, and once I this will go into stack. one by one, and then once I remove it, so what I'll do, I'll take n out, then I out, then s out. If string is up to this, so what will be the output? So n will be popped first, so n will be there, then I, then s, then I, then n, a, n, a, DROOP. So DROOP. So that will be the output of the removing from the stack. So that we will do it. So that's what we will get it when we will completely put this string into stack. We will get this output from the stack. And then what we'll do? We will compare. The next step is compare the reverse string with the intermediate string. Call these
सर हेलो
intermediate. Yeah.
पॉप टेम्पोररी रिमूव करता है क्या सर?
पॉप क्या?
टेम्पोररी रिमूव करता है क्या?
समझ में नहीं आ रहा आपका क्या बोलना है
सर पॉप परमानेंटली रिमूव करता है क्या, टेम्पोररी करता है रिमूव?
परमानेंटली ये निकल जाएगा। एन निकाला मतलब ये निकल जाएगा यहाँ से, ये एन निकल गया, आई निकल गया, एस निकल गया, फिर आई निकल गया, फिर एन निकल गया, फिर जी, सॉरी ए, फिर डी, फिर आर, फिर ओ, फिर पी, फिर स्टैक एम्प्टी हो जाएगा। तो नथिंग विल बी देयर, दिस विल नॉट बी देयर इनटू स्टैक। ऑलराइट, सो दैट मीन्स
स्टैड में लिखे थे आप?
हाँ,
स्टैड में लिखे थे ना, पूरा स्टोर होते हैं।
समझ में नहीं आ रहा आपको क्या बोलना है। Can you clarify it again? Can you please tell it?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. So now this is the way we have to do it. So what we'll do, we'll try to do it in using Python. Actually, we have to do it using C++, but we will see how we can do it in Python. Then we'll try to convert that code into C++. Okay. So let us take this. So this is our code. Now let us open the Google Colab. Let us take a new notebook. Let us give name to it as reverse string or palindrome. Okay. Put our intermediate kind of a discussion onto this, comment it out. So what we are going to do, we are going to take one string from the user. Okay. So let us have that string str is equal to input enter a string to check for palindrome, and we will enter the same string that we have for the input. So let us have the same string. So okay, once we will do we will give the input, so we'll take that string. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to convert that string now without any spaces. So that is the step, and at the same time what we will do, we will push character by character if it is not space onto stack. Okay, so let us have a stack is equal to
You have to do
this.
all the text in lowercase also, na?
We have to
In lowercase.
we have to
Of
convert that
string.
into lowercase. Yes. So first of all we will convert that into lowercase. That's the next step. Next step is convert the given string into lowercase. Okay, so how to convert it? So we don't
So
know how.
why we are converting this string in a lowercase?
We are converting it into lowercase because if I try to match, let us take it is Pune is equal to Pune. Okay, where Pune is in capital and small Pune is in the where Pune. Let us work it out with some small
Got
code.
it.
str1 is equal to Pune, and str2 is equal to, let's say, Pune. All right. If str1 equal to str2, print both the strings are equal. Okay. So let us work it out. So now here it is given name error, Pune is not defined. Okay, it's a string. Sorry. So it has to be given a string. This is a string. This is a string. String. Else also will write it. Else print they are not equal. So let us write it. So the output is they are not equal. So why they are not equal? Because it is in capital letter. This is in small letter. But we have to truncate their case. Okay, so we don't have to consider that case. So what we'll do, we'll directly convert that into one case only. Okay, so let us convert it into lower case. So that we can effectively match with the reverse string. So how to convert? Now we don't know how to convert into lower case. So convert
Lower
Python.
function.
Lower dot lower.
Dot lower function.
Okay, str is equal to str dot lower. Okay. Okay, so this is the given string. Print the given string in lower case is. Okay, let us print that str. Stack will be initially some empty. Okay, first of all we'll see whether we are correct or not, and we will have the input. This poor Dan is in a droop. Let us take this input. Let us run it. So it is all converted into lowercase. Okay. Now we will have a stack right now. Stack is empty. Nothing is into a stack. So we'll read character by character the string from the in this str. So we'll have a for loop for ch in str, for character in str. If ch is not equal to the empty, that is the space, then is not a space, then what we have to do, we have to insert into stack. So stack dot append, actually push means append in this case. Assume this append as a push operation. So what we have to push, we have to push the ch. It is a push operation. Okay, this push operation we have to do it if it is not a space. If it is not a space, then we have to push into the stack. And also we have to yeah, so that is done. And we have to convert a string without any spaces. So let's have str1 is a string without any str1 plus ch without any space. Okay, if it is not a space, then add into str1, and initially str1 is equal to some kind of an empty string. Okay, nothing into the str1. So str1 is right now empty, just like stack is empty. And then if it is not a space, then add into str1, so that we will have a str without spaces, and then similarly we'll add that into stack. Okay, once it is done, so now we will pop the stack. So for now we have to remove from the list. So how to remove it then? So for ch in stack.pop.
सर ते str1 equal to str1 plus ch का केलं.
ते अपेंड केलं कारण का की आपली इनिशियली स्ट्रिंग हे आहे ना, आता त्याच्यामध्ये p ऍड होईल. मग काय ऍड होईल? हा पी ऍड होईल, नंतर ओ
appendच्या
ऍड
खाली.
होईल. हा ते याच्यात ही स्ट्रिंग तयार होईल ना. बरं ठीक आहे, मी तुम्हाला याचं आउटपुट दाखवतो. प्रिंट, let's see, print, I'll print the stack, print stack and print the str1. str1. So let us have this comment out. Okay, now let us give this input. So you got it that the given string in lowercase poor Dan is in group. Okay, and the stack we got it every character by character added into stack without any space. Space is not added. P-O-O-R, then D-A-N, then I-S-I-N, then ADR-O-O-P. So this is there into stack one by one. And str1 is a string without any spaces. So that is what str1 we did it. str1 is equal to str1 plus ch. That is, we append character by character into str1. So we got this string poor Dan is in group without any spaces. Now what we will do? Now we will pop this stack one by one character from last. So pop means the first P will be removed, then O will be removed, then O will be removed. All right. So that is what we have to do it. Okay. So for ch in stack.pop, what we have to do? Str2 is equal to str2 plus ch. So that we have to append into str2. And let's say initially str2 is equal to some kind of an empty string. And then we will have a comparison. If str1 is equal to str2, then we can print it. Print the given string is a palindrome. Given string is a palindrome. Else print given string is not a palindrome. All right.
सर स्टैक डॉट पॉप से क्या होगा?
हाँ, स्टैक डॉट पॉप से क्या होगा कि इससे ये लास्ट वाला जो है ना वो इट विल बी पॉप्ड. सो पी विल बी पॉप्ड, देन ओ विल बी पॉप्ड, देन ओ विल बी पॉप्ड. सो सी एच विल कंटेन दैट कैरेक्टर. हाँ, रिमूव, जस्ट इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ रिमूव. It is there, it is in the list function, ready-made functions, it is available, it's already available. So that is what we are using, stack.pop. And append is available into that, in which we append it the value. Okay, so now let us run it with this input. Okay, now here POOR, and it is the given string is not a palindrome. We will print str2 first, str2, whether we are correctly getting str2. Print str2, that is the reverse string. The reverse string is str2. Let us see whether we are correct or not. So the reverse, okay, the reverse string is just P it is getting. Okay. So it is just popping one character. So we have to pop it all the characters. So it is just popping the first one, P. Okay. So just remove. So we'll have a
ch equal to stack dot pop. ch in string. Then again we will do ch in stack. Then in second line we will do ch equal to stack dot pop. And then we will add.
तसंच करावं लागेल. So what we will do, we will have a length of the stack. So say length of the stack is for I in range of length of stack. So whatever is a stack length of stack. So for I in range of length of stack, we have to pop the character ch is equal to stack dot pop, that we have to pop it, and str2 is equal to str2 plus ch. Okay, now again let us work it out.
Sir, str2 equal to str2 plus ch में क्या होगा सर?
ये सी एच से आपका स्टैक पॉप हो रहा है ना, सी एच, ये पी जो है वो पी स्टैक से निकल रहा है बाहर, फिर ओ निकल रहा है, फिर ओ निकल रहा है,
सर
तो फिर मैं वो एस टी आर टू में अपेंड कर रहा हूँ उसको, एस टी आर टू में आई एम क्रिएटिंग अ स्ट्रिंग.
ओके ओके गॉट इट सर.
So now let us run it. Okay, so now the reverse string, the str1 is this and the reverse string is also this, so the given string is a palindrome. Okay, so we got it properly. So now here, so if I give another input, this is Pune, so here this is not a palindrome. The str1 is, this is Pune without any spaces, the reverse string is, this is a reverse string, and so the given string is not a palindrome if we compare it. All right, so if we have another Nitin, let's say it's a palindrome. So Nitin is in lowercase Nitin, and it's all goes, the reverse string is also Nitin, and the given string is a palindrome. Okay, with N capital is also palindrome. All right, so that is how we have done it using stack concept. In that we have used the we have added character by character into stack, and then we popped it and we compared with it. Okay, so this is how you have to do it using stack. Now you have to do it